As we approach Halloween, it makes sense when discussing skincare to talk about vampire facials, which have become quite popular as of late. Here to tell us more about what these are, from Flawless MedSpa, we have Melanie Speed. Good to have you with us.
Thank you for
Along
having
with
me.
Jaden and Paige. Thank you guys for being here as well. Let's talk about vampire facials. What separates a vampire facial just from a regular one?
So vampire facial, we use microneedling, which is a tiny device that she has right there. Has 13 different needles in it, and it causes what's called micro injuries, or small injuries to the skin, just enough to stimulate the production of collagen. And then we're also using the plasma-rich protein, which we get from the blood. We spin it down, we take the plasma-rich protein. It has about 7 different growth factors in it. And so where we're microneedling and creating all the little injuries, we're putting the plasma-rich protein in it. And the combination of the two causes a stimulation and new growth of collagen.
Now, this has been around for a while, 10 years or so, but became more popular recently because Kim Kardashian posted.
Yeah, she posted it a few years ago. A lot of celebrities have, and so it's kind of become more mainstream and people are seeking out the treatment. But it's a really good, effective treatment for stimulating collagen that you can't really stimulate any other way.
Now, unless Jaden is super tough, and we don't know it, it appears to be painless.
It is. It feels like a vibrating or almost a tickling of the skin. We offer numbing cream with lidocaine in it, so it numbs the surface of the skin. And then we use the microneedling device, and so it feels like a tickling or vibrating because the skin is slightly numb.
Yeah, and so is there a recovery period of any sort? Or?
The day that you do it, it's like a light sunburn. The face is slightly red, and we leave the plasma-rich protein on it for about 6 to 8 hours after the treatment. That night you wash your face. We ask that you don't put anything on that evening, but the next day you can put on makeup and go.
And not have to worry about sun exposure or anything like that?
We don't want you in the sun directly.
Yeah.
You know, wouldn't be a good day to go to the pool, but you can be in and out, going to your car, going to work, things like that.
Now, Jaden obviously has perfect skin already, but what are the benefits of a vampire facial for everybody?
It helps with fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, acne scarring, just basically all the things that the environment does to our skin over time. So it's just a great anti-aging and skin tightening.
Now, is it one that is being enjoyed by men as well as women?
Yes, absolutely.
That's great. All right, so thank you so much for being here, Melanie. Appreciate it. Jaden, Paige, thank you very much. You have a special going on in the meantime,
We do.
too.
We're running a special for the month of October. Our vampire facials are usually $600, and we're running a special this month for $400. So if you'd like to try it, it's a great time.
Absolutely, yeah. So tell me, how long does that benefit last after you've done it once?
We usually last about 6 months to a year.
Oh, okay, that's great. All right, Melanie, Paige, Jaden, thank you very much for being here today.
Thank you for having us.
Mercedes.
Well, continuing on with the spooky vibe, Ghosts returns for season 2 tomorrow night right here